Everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing
it's Squirrel.
a squirrel. What do we need, Izzy?
We need paper, marker, and crayon.
Paper, marker, and crayons or colors. Here we go.
Yep.
Okay, so for this one, Izzy, we're going to start with the eyes and we're going to start over here. Top left of the page. And we go an eye there and another eye there. So we've got two little eyes. We're going to draw in pupils. You got that?
Yep.
Nice. And up here, some ways above that, not too close to the eyes, going to draw a little tuft of hair there. You know, I like to add a little spiky hairstyle going on with the characters.
Yep.
And draw bits of his head coming out there. And now some ears. And on that side. Just here below the eyes, we are drawing the upside down triangle. You know what that means? A little animal nose. And from there, we draw the smile,
Yep.
and the buck tooth. That's a squirrel. Squirrel teeth. You got that?
Yep.
Okay. So now below the teeth, I'm drawing, watch this, little oval shape. With a little stem coming out there. You got that? And then just below that oval shape, we need his hands, his little claws to go there. So he's going to be holding the acorn. Okay, so we draw from here a little shape going through there and just going back. Easy. The other side the same shape going there and going back. And we can draw a little line in there to show that it's his claws, his fingers. Got that?
Yep.
Nice. And we complete the acorn in his hand. So he's carrying it. He's got it in his hand. He's gonna lick a big fat acorn. That's cool. That's cool. Roll up his sleeve, boy. Okay, so the side of his head, we can draw some more fluffiness. Just going through the smile, and some fluffiness on that side, also through the smile. Yep. And from here, just going to do a line coming through there, just through there. And on this side the same, just take that line down to there. So now at the top half of his body.
Yep.
Okay, so now from this point here, we're going to draw a big thigh shape. Got that? Now we draw a little foot with some toes. And we just do that. We just curve it back there, just at the edge there. Yep. And we draw this tummy line coming into there, just from his arm down. Yep.
Back.
And then we draw the bit of his other leg and the toes, and we just finish it up there. you got that one. So he's sitting down basically. Okay, so now what do squirrels have? What are they famous for?
The tail.
The
The big tail.
big fluffy tail. So we're gonna make this extra big. We're gonna go from his ear, and we're just gonna curve a line like that. Nice. And we're going to curve a line back, pause that in, and just curve it in like that. And that's his big fluffy tail. So now what we can do, we can do another line like that, come around and then just touch there, because we're going to make this a different color to the rest of the tail. You can, if you want to, just complete his back like that, just a line. Yeah, that's good. So this line here, just bring it in, we touch the side of his body and Okay, you have already done that. So that's cool. He's done. Now remember, the squirrel, his chest is going to be lighter than the rest of his body. So his chest area is going to be lighter and this tail area is going to be lighter. But we forgot something easy.
What?
Whiskers. We've got whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got that? That's good. And that line there for the ear and the line there for the ear. Let's do that because that's the inside of his ears and that's the outside of his ears. We got it?
Yeah.
And there we have it, everybody. That's our little squirrel. Time to color.
Yep.
Here we go.
And then name him Jeff. And then I name him Jeff.
You're gonna name him Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Okay, so there's that brown, but more browns. I'm gonna grab all the browns. Okay, we won't need skin color, I don't think. Inside of his ear maybe. And maybe orange or somewhere if you want. And another darker brown. So that's our colors.
Yep.
My squirrel's gonna have a blue eye. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our little squirrel. I see Izzy's acorn colors reflecting in his eyes because he's that hungry. He's like looking at it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Yeah.